how to enable or turn on resume music after phone call. So first thing we do is we go to Deezer, and now this is the home page. Then choose this icon here in the top corner, click on it, and then go to audio, and here you go down to automatically resume music after a phone call. You can enable it or disable it from here, and that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much.